Let's talk about Ecohound Dog Waste Bags 100 Eco-Friendly Poo Bags Unscented Large Olive Green. Our new range, 100 Ecohound Olive Green Large Unscented Dog Waste Bags. Our bags use Exo biodegradable technology. Around 20 of the materials in this bags are made from a renewable source. No nonsense, large, thick, unscented, environmentally friendly poop bags. Large size 175 by 275 by 375 mm, 15 micron thick. We care about looking after our environment, cleaning up after your four-legged friend, and correctly disposing of our dog waste bags. Bag IT and bin IT will help protect our environment and keep our dog walking areas clean and user-friendly. Good, as always, and I think the best value. I think I've looked at every poo bag on offer on Amazon, only thing they are so big it's hard to shove a few in your pockets. I would like to see maybe a smaller size too. German Shepherd size poops required. We look for more robust bags. No awful finger went through the bag moments. Best purchase in its class in my view. About time someone cornered this sector and, as far as I am concerned, finally conquered it with top quality production. Bravo!